Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to calculate gratuity on calculator. So guys, the formula to find out the gratuity is 15 multiplied by last drawn salary multiplied by working tenure divided by 26. I will show you how does it work. First of all, I will type 15. So guys, it always remain 15. We multiply it with last drawn salary. So guys, last drawn salary is your basic salary plus DA. Okay, so for example, our last drawn salary is 30,000. So we multiply this 15 with 30,000. Okay, in the next step we multiply it with working tenure. So guys, working tenure is the number of years of service. So for example, if you work in a company for 12 years, so we multiply it with 12, or you work for 10 years or 15 years, so whatever the number, you multiply with it. So now for example, you work in a company for 10 years. Okay, so we multiply it with 10. Okay, and in the last step we divide it with 26. Okay, so divide 26, always 26, and then we press equal. So guys, here is your answer. This is your gratuity after 10 years. So it will be 173,076.92. Okay, or you can call it as 1,73,076 rupees and 92 paisas. Okay, so guys, I also write it down on the paper to make it easy for you. Okay, so I will show you. So guys, here is the formula and I explain everything. So formula is 15 multiply last drawn salary multiply working tenure divided by 26. So guys, 15 is the number of days of gratuity. Okay, this is according to 1972 Act that you will get your gratuity for 15 days. Okay guys, so it always remain 15. The second part of the formula is last drawn salary. So guys, last drawn salary is equal to basic salary plus DA. Okay, so here I put some number. So for example, just for an example, your basic salary is 20,000. Then we add it with your DA. Let's say your DA is 10,000. So total will be 30,000. So 30,000 is your last drawn salary. So the next part is working tenure. So guys, working tenure is the number of years of service. Okay, so for example, you work in a company for 10 years, for 15 years, so whatever number you have, you put here. So for example, I put here 10 years. So your working tenure is 10. Last part which is here, it says 26. So guys, 26 is the working days in a month because you work for 26 days in a month. Okay, so everything is done. Now we get all the values. We just put here in the formula. So 15 multiply 30,000 multiply 10 divided by 26. So guys, when we do this calculation on our calculator, okay, as I told you before, so we do it like this. So 15 multiply by 30,000, okay, multiply by 10, and then we divide it with 26. So our answer will be 1,73,076 rupees and 92 paisas. So guys, this is our final gratuity after 10 years. Okay, if our last drawn salary is 30,000. So guys, this is how you can calculate the gratuity on your calculator. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.